When I was in my early 20s, at 2 in the morning, my friend and I would go to this diner and get steak and eggs. It cost $2.99. It wasn't the best quality, but for a couple broke 20-somethings, it sure tasted good. So today, I'm gonna recreate that with a twist, because I'm gonna make a steak stack breakfast sandwich on the flat top grill. So I've got the flat top going with sort of medium heat right here. Third burner's on low, fourth burner's off. First thing I want to do is get some English muffins on here to toast up. Just want to give those a really light toast on here. See how we're doing? Just starting to get a little bit of a toast. Get a little bit more on there. That's looking good. I'm gonna set these over to the side just to stay warm. I'm gonna get my hash browns going. So I have a few red bell peppers. Just give these guys a little bit of oil right here. I started these hash browns from frozen, so I just want to help them along a little bit. Gonna put a dome on them, let them thaw a little quicker here. More butter here. I just want these red peppers to soften up. I'm gonna go and dome those. All right, these peppers are looking good. I'm gonna move these to the side to stay warm. All right, our hash browns are looking good here. I'm gonna go ahead and move these to the side to stay warm. We're gonna move on to our steak and our eggs. A little bit of oil down here. Steak pieces going. Now this is New York strip steak that I basically cut in half, then pounded out a little bit just to thin it a bit, put a rub on it. I'll put the ingredients to that rub in the video description below. Wanted to kick it up with a little heat. Give these a turn. Now for these, I could temp them. I could just, do the touch thing. I'm just gonna cut one of the smaller ones in half, see how it's doing. There, just still a little pink right in the center, so let these go about another minute, move them to the side into sort of that warm zone. They'll finish up fine there. I'm gonna get some butter on here. Got my burners turned down to low now with these eggs on here. For those of you wondering, I'm not a flat top grill expert. I just got this not that long ago. I'm really loving it though. It's a lot like cooking on a cast iron griddle on the Weber kettle. But there's a bit more to learn in terms of temperature control, because this big piece of cast iron here, this retains heat and transmits heat very well. You don't need a lot of heat beneath it to get a good cook going. Slide my eggs over here a bit. Now, who likes their eggs sunny side up? Who likes them over easy? I can go either way. Today, I think I'm gonna do one over easy and one sunny side up. Love that color. Now I almost want them both over easy. All right, it's time to start building this steak stack breakfast sandwich. So before I go ahead and build our sandwich here, I want to make a little bit of an avocado spread for the top bun. Gonna take my avocado here and smash it. Kind of creating an avocado toast top bun on this. Yeah, this wasn't in the diner food. Said this is my version of it. A little bit different. All right, so we have our 2 bottom buns here. I'm gonna start with some hash browns on each one. Right there. I'm gonna get a piece of steak on each one. A few red peppers. And we're gonna go with our over easy there and our sunny side up right here. Just wanna get a little bit of hot sauce on here. Just pick your favorite hot sauce. Finally, some of that avocado spread on our top buns here. There we have it, the steak stack breakfast sandwich, taking all those elements from the diner steak and eggs dinner I remember from quite a long time ago. It's looking good, smelling great. It's time to taste. Now, I'm not gonna be able to eat both of those. I mean, I could, I shouldn't. I'll probably give one to my son, but I'm gonna dive into the one that is the sunny side up. And I think we're gonna have a little bit of an egg-a-lanch here, not a juice-a-lanch. Let's see. There's an egg-a-lanch happening on the floor right now. You can't see it. Totally worth it. It's that diner steak and egg breakfast in a bun. Great flavor on that New York strip steak with that little bit of a kicked up seasoning I put on it. Maybe that'll help me kick this cold I've got. Everything just works here. Avocado, eggs, peppers, hash browns, steak, the English muffin, copious amounts of butter in there. Yeah, is it the best thing for you? No, but you know what? Every once in a while, it's good to live a little. This is living. So if you have a favorite meal from your youth, change it up a bit. Try to present it in a different way, like I did here. Taking that plate of steak and eggs and hash browns and toast, cramming it all together into a breakfast sandwich. It sure did bring back memories, and it sure did work.